No. No.
Go, Tal.
Game.
Game! Rob's got a quick pen. He'll look around the room and tell you his plan. He's got a rolled cigarette hanging by his mouth. He's a cowboy kid and he found a six-shooter gun in his dad's closet. He's in a box of fun and I don't even know what. But it's coming for you, yeah, it's coming for you. All the other kids with a pumped up kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with a pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. Daddy works for long days. It's coming home late, it's coming home late, and it's bringing me a surprise. Dinner's in the kitchen, it's packed in ice. I waited for a long time. It's light in my hands, I'm quick to pull the trigger. I reason with a cigarette. You say your hair's on fire, must have lost your wits. Yeah, all the other kids with pumped up kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids with pumped up kicks, you better run, outrun my gun. All the other kids with pumped up kicks, you better run, faster than my bullet, yeah. All the other kids, you better run, yeah. Faster than my bullet. Faster than my bullet. Next.
One, two, three.
Kung tayo'y matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y akan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay pupuli na rin. Sabay tayong nangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Mga kalipas ay babalik natin. Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kung maputi na ang buhok ko.